Okay, so it's going to start out Dan Hammond, Kyle Holmberg, Neil Penice, and then Kyle Stafford. All right, guys, you see some good racing here. Drivers, 7-minute race, and we're going racing on the sound of the tone. Woo! Kyle looking at an inside pass right there. Dan Hammond defending. Penice looking in the third spot. Waiting for those two to make a mistake. Statsman. Oh, everyone running close. Kyle stuck on that pipe. It gives Hammond a little bit of breathing room over Penice. Statsman and Kyle. There we go. Good job, Kyle. Oh, so Hammond and Penice tangling a little bit. Now the field starts to get a little bit closer. 7 minutes of intense racing going down the back straightaway. You got that Associated Team driver truck out front. Oh, now got a little bit of a gap. Can he use that to his advantage and stretch it out? Kyle Holmberg now back into the second spot. We're running in qualifying order now. Both Penice and Holmberg battling into the second position. Oh, Penice hits that pipe again. I think he's hit that thing 3 times now. Hammond out front, taking a nice tight line.
You go from a narrow body like this to a wide body like that.
2.5 minutes down, 4.5 to go. Dan Hammond out front, skying it out over that first double, getting the second double. Oh no, your second place driver lays it up, but then flips over backwards. That's going to give second place now to Neil Penice. Neil Penice got to put the hammer down to catch Hammond. Hammond's on those European tires designed for grass and AstroTurf. I don't know what Penice is using right now. Looks like he might be on a standard setup. He's on a JC tire, it sounds like. J Concepts, one of our sponsors. So Hammond now with a 2.5 second lead over Penice. Your top two kind of stretched out from the field. Number 1 driver going down over the first infield double. Now the second super kicker. Second place now within about 2 seconds. Close the gap just a little bit.
They're offensive.
Yep, from 3 seconds down to about 2.5.
You're going to get everybody to agree to a spec
Dan
tire
Hammond
racing
just
there.
running clean laps, making it look easy. Penice now putting the hammer down. Seems to have closed the gap even more. Last lap for Hammond at 18 flat. Last 2 laps for Penice were 17 ones. 2 of them in a row. So Penice now on the move. 2 minutes and 20 seconds to go. He's turned up the power. Starting to reel in Hammond. He reeled him in again. Only now 1.2 seconds. Oh, Hammond chases it. Now Fenice is on the back bumper of Hammond. Hammond a little bit sideways. Fenice very controlled. That's a battle for your top two. Going through the infield. Fenice was pretty nice right there. I don't know if there was any contact or not, but she wanted to make sure. Oh, Fenice in the back of the jump. Great show put on by those two. 6 minutes already. Almost down, and they're side by side. Fenice now starting to kick the corners of the support. Oh, wheelie from Fenice onto the front straightaway. 1:10 to go, and he's got 2.7 seconds to make up. He's done it once already. Can he reel? Dan Hammond back in. Kyle Holmberg and Kyle Frankman. Pretty big gap between those two for third and fourth. Oh, Saxman helping out Fenice's shot at taking the win. Now those two are bumper to bumper coming through the three singles, and Fenice gets it wrong again. 38 seconds to go, so we got two more laps. We got the lap that they're on and one more. I don't know if Fenice can reel it in. We got to look for a mistake from Hammond. Hammond just got to run clean. Fenice won't be able to make up that much ground. Dan just laying it nice and clean. Fenice is pushing hard, making a mistake here or there. Gives Dan even bigger cushion. 12 seconds to go. Hammond might make it for another lap. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3. Dan Hammond on a victory lap. Fenice won't get to it in time. Race is over. Finish the lap that you're on. Fenice, you are in and done. Dan Hammond on a victory lap. Awesome race between the two associated drivers.